YouTube's algorithm can either make or break your channel. But wait, what if I told you in just 7 minutes, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to beat YouTube algorithm and get more views, more subscribers and more growth. So stick with me to the end of this video, and by the end of the video, you are going to know how to make the algorithm work for you, not working against you. So let's start. Step number 1, master click-through rate. Yes, YouTube algorithm is all about keeping people on the platform. That starts with one thing, your click-through rate. So if people don't click on your video, YouTube will not recommend it to the further audience. We have 3 main key things which can help you boost your click-through rate. Let's begin with the first one, which is thumbnails. Yes, always use bold colors or clear faces and curiosity-driven elements in your thumbnails. If you are writing a text on your thumbnail, make sure that the text is bolder, is clear enough to be visible by your audience. Once they have seen it, it's going to grab their attention. And the second one is about title. Always mix keywords plus intrigues in your title. For example, instead of saying how to edit video in your thumbnail, you can try out this: editing secret pros never want you to know. That is going to create a lot of curiosity. They are going to be eager to know further about what you are going to share, because that is creating curiosity in them. Okay, the last one is A/B testing. What I would say here is that always try to change your thumbnail if you notice the click-through rate of your video is less than 5%. Yes, whenever you upload your video, you can just go to your YouTube studio for that video, check the click-through rate. You are going to find out that details there. If you notice it's less than 5%, that tells you the thumbnail of that video was not good enough for it to get more click-through rate. So you are going to change it if it's not up to 5%. The success of your video depends on if people have clicked on it or not. If people don't click on your video, that is already beginning of failure. Your video is already dead, because YouTube is not going to recommend it. It depends on the click-through rate of your video. That will determine if YouTube will recommend it to further audience or not. Yes, always make sure the click-through rate of your video is good. Step number 2, hook viewers in the first 30 seconds of your video. You have to hook your viewers fast. The first 30 seconds depends if YouTube is going to push out your video or buries it. So always try to hook your viewers in the first 30 seconds of your video. And let me show you some of the proven tricks on how to hook viewers in the first 30 seconds of your video. The first one, you have to skip the fluff. Yes, get straight away into what your video is talking about. Don't begin your video by welcoming viewers or by boring intros. They are not necessary. Go straight away into what you have to offer to that video. And the second one, always promise value. Yes, tell them why they should keep on watching your video. If your viewers drop off early, YouTube algorithm is going to stop recommending your videos. So always make the first 30 seconds count. Step number 3, increase watch time and retention. You know YouTube loves videos that people keep on watching for a longer period of time. So the longer people keep watching your video, the more YouTube is going to recommend and promote your video. I'm going to be sharing with you some of the proven tricks on how to increase your watch time. Always keep your viewers emotionally engaged by telling a story in your video. The second one, always try to use open loops in your video. Hint your viewers with something interesting at the beginning of your video and promise them you are going to reveal a greater details at the end or towards the end of your video. So by doing that, they're going to stick and watch it to get the details of that thing which you are talking about. And the third way for you to get enough watch time, you always have to edit your videos, make it to be interesting. If your video is somehow long, always try to include some sound effects in your video which is interesting to your audience. Step number 4, boost engagement. Yes, YouTube always want to see if people are interacting your content or not. To keep it short, more likes, comments and shares is going to lead to more recommendations. YouTube algorithm is going to recommend your videos to further audience and they're going to watch it. And now I'm going to be sharing with you some of the proven tricks in which you can boost your engagement. The first one, always ask questions in your video. Whenever you're doing your video for your audience, always ask a question along the video. It's going to help you for the audience to comment at the comment section and you get more views. But if you don't have a question to ask in your video, you can decide to say something like drop a fire emoji at the comment section. Drop this type of emoji at the comment section. That is going to boost the rate of comments and engagement in your video. Okay, the second proven strategy, you can always make a good use of pin message in the comment section. Whenever you post a video, you can go ahead and ask a question at the comment section, then you pin it, yes, to always appear at the top, so that whenever your viewers come to the comment section, they are going to see that one and reply to your message and answer your question easily. And the next one, always try to answer or to reply to each and every comment you have gotten in your video. That is what most YouTubers fail to do, and it's hurting their video. Always try to reply to all your comments you have in your videos. Always encourage likes in your videos. Yes, always remind them to like your video. Please hit the like button. Like my video if you find it valuable. Sometimes they usually forget to like the video, so when you remind them, they're going to do that. Step 5. Consistency and niche focus. YouTube loves consistent creators in specific niches. If you keep on switching topics, the algorithm will get confused and will not know who to recommend your video to. So always try to stick to one niche. Now let me share with you some of the strategies which will make YouTube algorithm to recognize your video and recommend to the right people. Post at least once or twice a week. You know, consistency matters a lot when it comes to YouTube content. Yes, consistency. That is when the algorithm is going to recognize your video. Post consistently. And the second one is to stick to a particular niche. Don't start with this niche and later on you post a video which is not reflecting your niche. Always try to stick to that niche. When you do that, you are going to confuse the YouTube algorithm. They are not going to be able to know who to recommend your video to, because you are confusing the algorithm. Don't confuse the algorithm. It's going to hurt your videos a lot, or your channel actually. Step number 6. Use the right YouTube SEO strategies. If people can't find your video, they will not watch, right? This is when YouTube SEO comes in. Now let me share with you some of the proven strategies to make your videos rank higher on the YouTube platform. Always use searchable titles in your video. You can use things like how to do this, best way to do this. Yes, these are the things that people will search on the platform. Your titles should include most of those things, how to, what people are searching for, so that your videos are going to be optimized and rank greater in the YouTube search. The second way is by optimizing your description and the hashtag. Include keywords naturally in your description. Yes, use keywords. The main things which people are searching for, how to do this, they are the keywords. You can find out more about keywords. Always try to include in your video. To summarize this, ranking higher in searches helps new people to recognize your video and to discover your video. Now let's recap. To beat the algorithm, you need to boost the click-through rate. Yes, with better thumbnails and titles. You also need to hook viewers in the first 30 seconds of your video. You have to increase the watch time by creating engaging content. You have to drive engagement with likes and comments. You have to stay consistent in your niche. You have to optimize for SEO for new viewers to find your videos. Guys, if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and comment YouTube growth in the comment section. I will hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.